Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make some flowers with circle papers. Okay, it's very easy to make. Here I am taking a strip of paper and I am folding into 3 times, and I am going to draw 3 centimeters of radius circle, and then I'll cut it with zigzag scissors. Not plain scissors, with zigzag scissors I am going to cut it. Since I folded 3 times, I got 3 circles, but I need fourth one also. So I cut it. Next, we'll do flowers with these circles. Take a pen and place one circle on top of it and then press towards the pen. Same procedure we'll do with all 4 petals, but for first one we need to press little bit, second one we need to press little more towards the pen, and for third petal I am using here one pencil, and the fourth one I am using skew stick. And we have to squeeze it very dense for the skew stick one. Next, apply the glue and stick each layer on top of it. We have to adjust the layers while sticking. Just check it and then stick. If you want, you can make more flowers and insert a skew stick as a stem and attach some leaves and keep it in a flower vase. Yeah, that's it. One flower is ready. Next, I'll show you how to make 3D leaf. For that, take a paper and fold into half and then draw the leaf shape and then cut it. Next, make a zigzag fold from the top in diagonal shape. Okay, see how I am doing, and then crease it, press it so that it holds that shape, and then open it. That's it, the leaf is ready. You can use these leaves and keep one flower in the middle and use it for decoration also. Next, I'll show other flower with 3 circles only. Here I take 2 centimeter radius, and we have to fold into half, but don't crease it. Okay, just press in the middle like that. We have to do for all 3 circles. And then take one stapler and pin it in the middle so that it won't move. Next, press the circles towards the pin gently, and now try to open the petals and form a flower shape. Since I took 2 centimeter radius circle, we can pin only one time. If you are making some bigger flower, then you have to pin twice, one at the bottom and the other at the top, so that it won't move. Next, we'll make some spirals or creepers with paper. Here I'll stick all these to a thick cardstock paper, and even if you want to make a frame and stick all this, you can do like that. Otherwise you can make stems with skew sticks and you can put it in a flower vase. But here I am sticking like this, and with plain paper I cut into a flower vase shape and I stick it. And with a black marker I designed the flower vase like this. And finally it's done. And finally I stick it to my wall. Simple and easy to make. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.